Welcome back, office executives. In this particular problem set scenario, we'll be discussing over a new formula which is being introduced in MS Excel known by the name of dsum. So given this data set, the sales record which is being shown in here, product and sales, we want to find out that what is the total sales. So we used to earlier use the function sumif. So the range is, this is the range. Within this range, the criteria would be whatever value will be feeding into this particular cell, whatever product we will be giving in, and the sum would be from this section. This is the field from which sales would take place. Now if we simply just give here black salt, black salt, and hit enter, it's showing 78. So this is black salt. So are there any more black salt? Here it is, black salt. So in the status bar it can be seen that the average 26, count 3, sum 78. Now the modified formula, that is which is being introduced in later version of Excel known by the name of dsum, it works in this way. So database, so this is the database over which the summation would take place. And what is the field? The field is the, we want to return the sales value. And what is the criteria? Product, and this is the criteria, that is product is black salt. Then we close the brushes and hit enter, 78. Now instead of black salt, if we give some other value x, so let me know in the comment section how you felt about this new video. So earlier we used to just use the formula sumif. Earlier you used to just use this formula sumif. Now we have a modified formula dsum. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about these two functions and which one would you prefer while doing summation. That's all for this video. Thank you all guys and happy coding.